In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to schedule a private session for a client and show you some helpful features along the way. Let's start by heading to the left side menu and clicking on Appointments. This will take you to the Instructor's Appointment page. Before we jump into the booking, let's explore a few of the filters and features available here. First, always make sure to select the correct branch before you begin. You can do this by clicking on the drop-down in the upper left-hand side and choose the desired branch. Next, we have the Instructors filter. This lets you decide what type of instructors you want to view. You will have options such as Service Instructors, those who offer private sessions, Booked Instructors, who already have scheduled appointment, PT and Class Instructors, who offer both private and class sessions, or simply All Instructors, which will display everyone. The second filter lets you sort by relevant service type, so you can display only the relevant services and the instructor associated with them. The third allows you to choose a specific instructor and view only their appointments. If we click on it, it will give us a list of the instructors available. Of course, you are able to choose a color for the trainers and the service. If you'd like to know more about how to assign color for your trainers and services, please check out the video of the appointment services. You also have the option to check from all branches, which will display all instructors from all branches in this calendar. Now, if we look on the left, we're going to notice that we are able to choose a specific day, as well as choose how we want the calendar to be displayed, whether by day or by week or by agenda, or we can export it to Excel. Let's stick with the daily view for now. And let's book an appointment together. First thing to do is we're going to choose an instructor. Let's go with Anthony. And we're going to choose a time from the left-hand side. Let's say 4 p.m. So we are going to click this slot. This will open up the prompt to add a private session. The event date, from, and the duration are already added. So the first thing to do is to add our client. So we're going to type the name of a client. And if that client already exists, they will show up in the dropdown. However, if it's a totally new client, you can create a new client from here. Let's choose this one. Now, as you can see, the instructor is already added. And if that instructor gives multiple services, we can choose the different services from here. As it is a singular one for Anthony, it's the one that was chosen. Next, we're going to need to buy a package for that client. As you can see here, it says no package, so all we would need to do is click on it, click Buy New, and this will allow us to buy a package. Let's choose, for example, PT Fitness, which offers 12 passes for $69.6. The net price is displayed once we selected the package, and of course we can offer a discount if we need to. Then we're going to choose the relevant payment method. Let's go with Cash USD. We are able to print the receipt or to send email to the client by checking those checkboxes. Now, to confirm this membership, we have two options. We can either click Confirm, which will buy the membership for that client, or if we would like to pre-book the days in advance, we can click on Schedule Sessions. This will allow us to choose the trainer, the service, and the days. Let's see it together. So we can choose the trainer from here. We can choose the service, the relevant room, and of course, the days. Let's say we want to schedule it every Monday and Wednesday. We select the time. And then we confirm it. Now, all 12 sessions are being scheduled accordingly. And as you can see, the package now is displayed here. We can choose an existing room, or we can click outdoors and choose a location from Google Map. Let's choose the fitness room. You are able to enter details about this session if you want to, but this step is totally optional. And let's click Save. Now that the session is added, you will notice that it's currently highlighted in orange. That means attendance has not been taken yet. So to take attendance, click on the session and choose either Early Cancel Booking, which will remove the session completely and return that pass to the client to use it later, or choose Arrival, which will allow you to click Arrived, Late Cancellation, or No Show. Any of those options will reduce a pass from the client's package. If you choose Arrived, it will turn the session green. However, choosing Late Cancellation or No Show will turn it red instead. To edit this session, however, once you click on it, it will allow you the option to edit it or repeat it. Upon editing, you will be able to choose the date, the time, the instructor, the service. Maybe the client wants to use a different package instead, and even the room. And just make sure to save upon doing any editing. To repeat the session, just click here, and you can choose whether you want it same time tomorrow, same time the next day, same time next week, or choose a custom date, which will automatically book that session accordingly. And that's everything you need to be able to schedule and take attendance on your private sessions.